नमस्कार। ग्रेट मैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया है। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
So scholars, in this new chapter, rational numbers, first of all we are talking about natural numbers and whole numbers, which you have studied already in the previous classes. Natural numbers are the numbers starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on till infinity. Whole numbers are the numbers starts from 0 and represent by the letter W. Now in the grade 8 we are talking about integers. Integers can be negative, positive, including 0. And here we are going to study some basic operations on integers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First of all, what are the rational numbers? Which numbers are called rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented by the letter Z and can be expressed in the form of P upon Q or A upon B, they are called rational numbers. Here we have the definition of rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. One important thing is, scholar, that denominator should not be 0. Q does not equal to 0. If the denominator is 0, the number cannot be defined and the result will be infinity. So any numbers in the form of P by Q, whether they are positive or negative, like minus 2 by 3, plus 6 by 7, 9 by minus 5, all these are rational numbers. So I hope you have understood which type of numbers are rational numbers. Now here we have some basic operations like addition. First example, 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 7. Here 8 and 7, what is the LCM? First of all, you take the LCM of the denominators. LCM is 56. Now 56 will be divided by this first denominator 8. 8 7s are 56, 7 times. So 7 into numerator 3. 7 3s are 21. Now 56 divided by another denominator 7. 7 8s are 56. 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40. 21 plus minus will become minus. So result will be minus 19 by 56. So do the next two examples in the same way. Okay. Now, in the next, we will discuss about the properties like addition, subtraction, multiplication. The rational numbers follows all these properties. Multiplication, as you can see here, multiplication, how it will be possible, addition and subtraction, so we can do by taking LCM. How to do multiplication? So multiplication, all the numerators separately they will multiply, and all the denominators separate. So here minus 7 by 3 into, take first two numbers, 5 2s are 10, 4 9s are 36, 10 7s are 70, 36 into 3 108. Simplify by 2, you can simplify this, minus 35 by 54. So like this you can multiply the rational numbers. And remember this table also. Complete the following table: rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. You have to complete this. Addition is possible, so you have to write yes here. Addition is possible in integers, so you should write yes. Natural numbers addition is possible, write yes here. In the same way you find out whether subtraction is possible, multiplication or division is possible or not. Now one more example we have here: 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. So take LCM of all these denominators. LCM will be denominators 7, 11, 21 and 22. LCM will be 462. So make all the denominators 462. So here first denominator 462, numerator will be 198. So change all these denominators, then take LCM. The result will be minus 125 upon 462 after simplifying it. So I hope you all have understood this, the basic operations on rational numbers, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So do practice for all these properties from exercise first and second. Many questions are there, you people can do it at home. First 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 can be finished by using these properties. Thank you.